Wala gyud kaila. Hello.
Hi. What's your
Hi.
name?
My name is V.
Oh, V. Okay, my name is Teacher Ann.
Okay.
Okay, I am. Okay, how old are you, V?
I'm 15.
15. Okay, that's good. So you are probably grade 9?
No, cool.
Grade, grade 9?
Yes.
Yeah, grade 9. So my name is Teacher Ann. I came from the Philippines. Yes, and okay. Okay, for a while, B, I need to answer the QC. Okay, she's in. She is here. She is here. Okay, so my name is Teacher Ann. You can call me Teacher Ann. I came from the Philippines, V, and then I am an English teacher here in the Philippines. Uh, at present, I am teaching grade 7, grade 8, and probably grade 9. So I am teaching English here, literature, and reading, writing, and grammar in the Philippines. So I hope that I can help you with that. And then I am so excited when my indepantado told me about the grade 9. It was so exciting and it was so what's that? It was so interesting to have a student like grade 9. So I hope I can teach you like this. I can share also about my English experiences here in the Philippines. So by the way, okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh, that's great. It seems that you are very good in English. You can speak well. You can understand, speak well.
Oh, yes.
Oh
Thanks.
yeah. Yes, I can see that one. Okay, so here, so now, okay, I have given here the task to ask you to have what speaking. You are already in day 9.
Yes.
You're in day 9. Am I correct?
Uh,
Okay, I will be sharing here for a
yes.
while. Okay, so we are here in day 9. Are you done with that? Or that is actually the lessons that she has given to me. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so V, all I want here, teacher, and sometimes teacher is quite fast in talking, and then you have to tell me if I am just too fast, and you have to tell me if you can't understand the lesson. Please tell it to me, okay? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I really want to know so I can help you and so I can assess you or your grammar, your speaking like that, okay? Don't be shy, okay? I am very approachable and very kind teacher. Don't worry about that, okay? Okay, so here, so we are going to talk now about holiday. You know what is that? You know what is holiday?
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Okay, so now we are talking since we are having here, speaking. So I already tell you about my name and I ask you about your name and where do you live. Exactly, you live in Vietnam, but I don't know exactly where the place. Is it in Da Nang? Hanoi? Da Nang?
Um, I live in Thailand.
Oh, I sorry, I'm not familiar of the place, but is it a city?
No.
It's countryside.
Yes.
Oh, I have a student also is living in the countryside. Okay, so actually, living in the countryside is the most precious moment It's very nice to live there, peaceful. Don't have a lot of people moving around like that. So here V, so we'll have this one. Okay. Do you like traveling, B?
Traveling?
Yes, traveling. Travel.
Oh,
Do you like to travel?
yes, yes.
Wow. Okay. So can you tell me the most or uh one of the place that you really want to go, that you really want to travel?
Um, Koto only.
Oh, what is that? Where is it exactly? It's in Vietnam.
Yes.
Oh, what is in there? Are there beautiful places? Are the place beautiful? V?
Oh, yes.
Oh, can you tell me a little description? Can you describe me about the place that you want to travel? The Koto.
Um,
Okay, don't be shy. Can you tell me about Koto? Julian. Okay, can you tell me about the Koto? I don't know the place, but I want to research for that. I will search it in the internet. Okay. I feel curious about the place. Okay. So now, okay, aside from Koto, which is in Vietnam, do you have any country that you like to travel? Like America, like Canada, like Japan, like Philippines? Do you have any place?
okay.
Yes.
I I like China.
Wow, you like China. Okay, why do you like
Yes.
China? Do you have a Chinese friend?
Yes.
Wow, really? You have?
Yes. Um. Uh, Laos. Mm,
Okay, where is she now? She's in China.
speak. Speak.
Okay,
Uh.
she is in China now. Oh, okay, babe. Don't be shy. Just tell teacher, okay? Okay, you have a friend, a Chinese friend. I have also a Chinese friend. She speak Mandarin. Yeah, Mandarin is the language of Chinese, right? Mandarin. That's the language of Chinese. Ah, okay, you can search that in the internet about Mandarin because you have a Chinese friend. So, V, you like to be in China. You want to go there, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, same with teacher. Okay, teacher Anne wants to go also in China, but it's very far in the Philippines. Okay. So how about Thailand? You don't like Thailand?
Yes.
Yeah, Thailand.
I don't. I
You
don't.
don't. Thailand is quite near in Vietnam.
Yes.
Oh, but you don't like?
Um. No.
Oh, yes. How about Philippines? You want to come here in our place? Do you
Yes.
know do you know Philippines?
No.
Oh no. Okay. Philippines is a beautiful country, V. We have a lot, many many beaches. You know beach, the sea, water like that. We have lots, many beautiful beaches in the Philippines. Okay. So now I am asking you about traveling. My God, teacher. Okay. Now, V, we are going to talk about holiday. Okay. Teacher Anne is a happy teacher. Okay. Oh, what do you do in your holiday? Like the Tet holiday. What do you do?
I play.
Oh, where?
Yes.
What do you do? You play
Um,
during the Tet holiday.
um, um, I I has my parents.
Oh, so you are with your parents. Okay. Uh, January 1, Tet? January 1? No.
Mm, no.
No. Okay, it's in the Philippines. It's holiday in the Philippines. January 1 is holiday in the Philippines. It's New Year. Okay, look at this one. Look at this one. V, can you see this one? Okay. So as you can see, V, we have here sleeping. Okay, can you see the picture? Sleeping. Can you read it? Sleeping.
Sleeping,
Traveling.
traveling,
Chatting with your friend. Chatting with your friend.
chatting with your friend,
Okay, reading. Reading.
reading.
Okay. So you know the word chatting with your friend? You know this word? You
Yes,
talking with your friend. The same. Reading.
yes.
Reading, you know this.
Oh, yes,
Okay. So, do you love reading? Do you love to read?
yes.
Wow. Okay. So you love reading a book. Also, teacher love to read. Teacher Anne loves to read. How about sleeping? Do you like sleeping? Do you like to sleep always?
So.
So. Same with teacher. Okay, so. Not that much, not that low. Okay. But teacher Anne likes to travel. How about you? Do you like to travel?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Of course. Here, let us move here to the next. Okay. Now, who do you usually spend holiday with? Who do you usually spend holiday with? Your parents, your brothers and sisters, your friend or your classmates?
Mm, my my friends.
Wow, your friends. Okay. You have many, I guess. In the school?
Yes.
Wow. So, where are you going during holiday? Where did you spend your holiday?
Mm, yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Ah, there only. Okay, just near. Okay. So, how about doing a picnic? You know what is picnic?
Mm, yes.
Okay, do you go at the picnic or no? Not that much.
No.
Okay, so you don't like it. How about go shopping? You like shopping?
Yes.
Wow, okay. Going to the mall.
Going to the mall.
Yeah, going to the mall or going to the shop.
Oh.
Like clothes shop, shoe shop, like that.
Yes.
Oh yeah, very good. How about watching film, a cinema?
Yes.
Oh, really? You like it?
Yes.
That's your favorite?
Yes.
Wow, with your friends, of course. What is your most favorite movie? The one you like? Horror, love story, or action? You want love story?
Um, love story.
Yeah, you want that?
Yes.
Wow, you're really a teenager. You want the love story. Okay. Okay, I love also. You know, V, when I watch the movie in the cinema, I watch cinema and movie, and it's about love story, you know. Teacher Anne sometimes cry. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And I also love horror. Do you like horror? Scary movie?
No.
No, no,
No.
no, really?
Yes.
Wow, that's my favorite. I love it. I love watching horror in the Netflix. There are many Netflix. Are you familiar with Netflix?
Netflix.
Yeah, Netflix.
Netflix.
Yeah, do you have that in the full in the Vietnam? It's Netflix. It's
Oh, yes.
international. It's international. It's all over the world.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. So I keep on watching Netflix here in the Philippines. I watch love story. I watch horror the most. Horror, scary movie the most. Okay. So now here, I knew now that you love to watch movie. Okay, your sister's at the back. Oh,
yes. Yes.
beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so here. So these are the person that I think be with you or who are with you during your holiday, yet your family. This one. And of course, your friend. Okay. I know you have many friends out there.
Oh,
Okay. So you have many?
oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. Okay. How old is your sister at the back?
She's the.
Yeah, that one. 10? How old she is? How old is she?
Oh, she's 9.
9. Hello. Okay. Grade 4.
Hello.
Hi, good evening. Okay, so here, so I will ask another questions. Do you prefer traveling alone or in a group with a friends or with a family?
Ooh. Mm,
What do you like? Alone? I'm alone or with someone else? With a group, a family, a friends, like that.
oh, wow.
Okay. What do you like most?
I, I like in a group.
In a group. Okay. So with your friends.
Yes.
Of course. Okay. So, of course, it's not uh enjoyable. It's not You're not going to be happy if you travel alone, right? It's not nice. Oh, it's good to be in group with friends or with family. Another one. Okay. Why holidays are important? Okay, I will ask why holidays are important to you.
My holiday.
Yeah, holidays. Why the
Oh,
holidays are important to you? Why is it important?
I don't know.
Okay. So, what will you do? Okay, example. Let's take this. It's holiday, it's that. So you don't have class in school. So you will go to somewhere else with your friends. So what will you feel during you don't have class?
Hmm?
What will you feel when you don't have class, you don't have school? So what will you feel? You will feel happy?
Oh, so.
Also, so only teacher. Okay. So, I will tell you, V. Okay, for a while, V. Here. Okay, so I will tell you, V, that it's very important. I mean, holidays are important. You know why? Because it is the time when you can have time to relax. Like you don't feel anything. Like you don't mind anything. You are relaxed. You can travel. You can spend time with your family or with your friends. If it is holiday, okay, you don't need to worry because it's holiday. So that makes it important. That is the reason, V, why holidays are important. For me only, for teacher. Okay. Okay, how about you? Do you think it's important to you, the holidays?
Oh,
Yes, of
okay.
course. Yes, teacher. Do you understand, teacher Anne? Do you understand me?
Hmm?
Do you understand, teacher Anne? You understand me? Understand me? You understand, teacher? About holiday. Do you understand why is it important to have holiday? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good, V. Okay, so it is very important to have a holiday. Okay, now here, so most people in the world, all over the world, they like holidays. Okay, they like holidays because you can travel, you can spend time with your family, you can go to your friends like that. Okay, it is very important or very nice to have holiday. Okay, okay,
Okay.
yes, okay. Now here, okay, teacher will ask, if you could take a holiday anywhere in the world, where would you go? You told me it's China, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. You said to teacher, okay, this is what I mean. If you could take a holiday anywhere in the world, all over the world, where would you go? And we said, China, teacher. Okay. You said, right? Okay.
Yes.
Why do you like China?
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful, teacher. Okay. You don't like Paris? You know what is Paris? You know the place? It's somewhere in Europe.
Harry?
Yeah, Paris. Paris. P here. Well,
Oh,
yeah. Teacher Anne will spell it. Here. Paris. That one.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Paris.
Love Paris.
Yeah,
I.
you know that place?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you familiar with Paris? Are you familiar? Are you familiar with Paris?
No.
Oh, so
No.
Paris is somewhere in Europe, and they said Paris was being called as the love place. Okay, so it's the love place. It's a beautiful place. That, you know what, V? That's my dream place. I want to go there. I want to go China. I want to go Paris. That's two. And the last one that I want to go, Thailand and Vietnam.
Oh,
I
Thailand.
yes,
Oh, yes.
yeah, I want to go in Vietnam. You know why? In Vietnam, I
Oh,
want I want to go in Vietnam because one of my students really want me to go there on his birthday. but it's still COVID here. Okay, there's still the virus. Okay, but I want to go Vietnam. I really want to go there. I swear. Yeah, I love to go Da Nang.
Da Nang.
Da Nang, the Halong Bay, the Halong Bay.
Yes.
It's very nice. I saw it in the internet. The Halong Bay. It's a beautiful place. Yes. Okay. So now, okay, if I will ask you, okay, about China, you like China? Okay, if you will be in China, example, you are in China. So, what will be the first thing that you will do? What will be the first? The number one, the first thing that you will do in China? Are you going to eat in the restaurant? Are you going to shop? Are you going to visit your friend? What will you do?
Visit your friend. Visit my friends.
Ah, you will visit your friend. Okay. How old is your friend? How old is she?
Oh.
By the way,
She's
boy
15.
or girl? Boy or girl? Girl?
Two.
Ah, okay. Oh, two. One boy and one girl? Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Really?
Yeah, okay. Okay, for a while, V. Okay, for a while, V, I need to check someone, okay? For a while. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, V. So now, okay. Because a while ago, we have electricity problem here.
Cool.
Okay. So we have here.
No.
Okay. So we are done this. You like to go to China because you want to meet your friends. Okay. That's good. I know you are very excited. Okay. So where did you meet your friends? In Vietnam?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. So that's very exciting. Okay. So now here, okay, I will have to move to the next. It's good to know you have friend in China. You know how to speak Chinese?
Oh.
You know how to speak a little?
A little? Yes.
Oh,
A little.
a little. It's no a little. But teacher Anne really don't know. It's zero. It's zero.
Oh.
Teacher zero. Okay. I have my Chinese friend also. And we talk mostly in WeChat, and then we talk English. We talk English because I cannot speak Chinese, and she cannot speak Filipino. So we talk English. We talk English. Oh, because teacher has zero Chinese language? 0. Okay. So here, V. So we, oh my God, V, look at this one. We have here New York. Oh, you know where is it?
New York.
Yeah, you know what is New York?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next is Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Yeah, Tokyo is in where? Tokyo, Japan, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Japan. Singapore.
Mm,
Singapore. You know where is Singapore? You love Singapore? Very, I guess it's Asia. We are in Asia. Singapore, China, Hong Kong, Vietnam, Philippines. Asia only, Asia.
Asia.
We are in Asia. Our continent, the name of our continent is Asia. Singapore, Japan, Vietnam, China, Philippines. We are in Asia. The same continent. Yeah. We are in the same continent. We belong to Southeast Asia. Okay. So how about Kuala Lumpur? You know where is Kuala Lumpur? Yeah, you know where is that? It's in Malaysia.
Yeah.
You know Malaysia?
Yeah.
You know Malaysia?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, here. Now, let's practice to talk about your holiday. Okay, by the way, we only have, okay. by the way, we only have 9 minutes more to go. Okay, so let's practice to talk about your holiday. Okay, what is in your holiday? Okay. Okay, so we have here. So now we will be having our free talk about holiday. Okay. So we have here the different places: New York, Tokyo, Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, and what's this? Here we have four, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what can you say about Malaysia?
Okay.
Yeah.
You
What
say.
can you say about Malaysia?
Oh. What?
Okay. Can you say something about Malaysia?
No.
Oh no, because you don't know Malaysia. Malaysia is a beautiful place. Okay. How about Singapore? Do you know more about Singapore? Okay, can you?
Singapore.
Yeah, Singapore. You can research in the internet. Singapore.
Singapore is uh, is very. Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. I guess Singapore here. I will try to check here. Okay. Singapore. I will write here. I will search more about Singapore. It's a nice country. Okay. So Singapore, officially the Republic of Singapore. Okay. So they have 5,639 population. So there are many people in Singapore. Okay, so in Singapore, their language, they can speak English, they can speak Chinese, Mandarin, Chinese, and Malay. Okay, they have three languages there. The Singaporean can speak English. Okay, is a Singapore city or a country? It's a country. It's a big country. Okay. Singapore, the Singapore V belongs to Southeast Asia. It's belong to Asia. We are just near in the Singapore. Uh, Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, Philippines, China, Japan. We are just near Southeast Asia. And then, okay. So, is Singapore safe to visit? It is safe. It is a safe place. Yes, visiting Singapore is a very safe place. You know what? Singapore is the most cleanest country. They are very clean. Okay. And then they are also very hardworking and very disciplined people. When you go there, their place are clean. Okay. You can check it in the internet. Okay. Why they are clean country. Okay. It is one of the safest place to go. Also in Vietnam, okay, I think Vietnam is a very nice place. Do you think it's very nice place in Vietnam? Do you like Vietnam?
Yes,
Of
I
course.
very nice.
Of course. Okay. How clean is Singapore? How clean is it? Okay. Singapore is bent on maintaining its reputation. They are cleanest, one of the cleanest. Okay. If first time offenders in the Singapore you cannot throw trashes everywhere. Example, you have the paper and you fold this and you throw. No, you cannot do that. Yeah, you cannot do that in Singapore. Of course, you cannot do that. Okay. In Singapore, so first time offenders who throw small items, if you will going to throw, example, the pen, you will throw it everywhere, you will be, you will have penalty. You will pay. That's why. So you are not allowed to throw, right? You are not
Yes.
allowed to throw trashes. It's not allowed in Singapore. You will pay money. Oh my God. So if you have trash like this and you don't need it, you will just put it in your bag. Don't throw it everywhere. Do you understand? Yeah. That's the reason why Singapore is the cleanest country. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, you understand now why Singapore is cleanest?
I don't know.
Oh, Singapore is cleanest because they are disciplined. You know discipline, Chi? Chi, V, you know? You know the word discipline? This one, teacher will ask. Here, sorry. You know that word?
Yes.
Okay, it's discipline. Okay, Singapore are disciplined. Are the Singaporean are they are disciplined people? Okay. Okay. Okay, you
Yes.
understand now. So these are the beautiful places in China, in the world. Okay, Singapore, Tokyo, Japan. Japan is a beautiful place. They have the cherry blossoms. You know what is cherry blossoms? It's the
Cherry?
flower. Yeah, cherry blossom. It's the flower in Japan.
Cherry?
Yes.
Oh,
It's the beautiful flower in Japan.
no.
Yeah, it is one of the famous flower in Japan, cherry blossom. Yes. Okay. Yeah, it's a very nice flower. Okay. So Japan is also famous. That's the reason why it's famous. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now, okay, I hope you understand. Okay, I hope you understand, Teacher Anne. And then on the next time, I will have to discuss more on listening or reading like that. Okay? So, do you
Yes.
understand, Teacher Anne?
Teacher.
Do you understand me, Teacher Anne? Don't forget my name. My name is, what is my name again?
Oh.
You forgot me. You forgot me, V.
No.
No, my
No.
name is
And
Anne. Okay, and where I came from? In the, what is my country? Philippines. Philippines.
Oh,
It's
wow.
yeah, it's Philippines. I came from the Philippines. I am a, who am I? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Okay. V, it's really nice meeting you here. Very nice. I am so happy to meet you. Okay. I hope teacher can help. Okay. Are you happy with teacher Anne?
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Thank you, V. And it's nice seeing you. I will be having time with you on when? Monday, right?
Yes.
Monday.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Monday.
I will be seeing you on Monday and we will talk more. Okay? So,
Yes.
again, please don't be shy. Okay? Don't be shy. Okay, you ask teacher. You ask teacher. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, Vic. So, you don't have question now. Teacher Anne, okay. If you don't have question, Teacher Anne will say goodbye for now, B.
Bye
Okay?
bye.
It's nice
See
meeting
you.
you. Love, love. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
What's the Aries?